Hi, my name is AnnaDominiqueBaltan. I recently graduated at Lyceum of the Philippines, University, Manila, with a diploma in Culinary Arts and Kitchen Operations. I have a very deep passion in baking and creating pastries and desserts. I believe that an internship in your company would be an honor, and it will be my stepping stone for my dreams to succeed. In this video, I'm going to show my basic pipe decoration techniques and how I make gum-paste flowers, Calya Lily. For my basic pipe decoration techniques, I used royal icing. I mixed 2 to 3 cups of icing sugar gradually into the egg white in room temperature and added 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar to stabilize the egg white. First is the shell. Using any star tip and hand position at 45-degree angle, squeeze frosting, letting it bulge out as you lift the tip slightly, then release the pressure as you pull away the tip on the surface, forming a pointed tail. Start the next shell at the tip of the first one. The wide part of the second shell will cover the tail of the first one. Next is the reverse shell. Using any star tip and hand position at 45-degree angle, squeeze the frosting as you would to form a shell. Move the tip slightly to the left and in clockwise direction to form a question mark as the frosting is squeezed out. Then, gradually release the pressure. Start the next shell at the tip of the first one, repeating the motion in reverse direction. Continue to alternate directions. Next is the rope. Using any star tip and hand position at 45-degree angle, and using a steady pressure on the pastry bag, pipe out an elongated sideways S shape. Fourth is the fleur-de-lis. Using any star tip and hand position at 45-degree angle, a fleur-de-lis design is composed of 3 shells, 1 shell and 2 reverse shells. First, pipe a centered shell with a long tail. Move the tip slightly to the left and pipe a reverse shell, making its tip line up on the top of the first shell's tip. Pipe another reverse shell in the opposite direction on the other side of the plain shell, making its tail line up with the other reverse shell's tail. Basket weave, rose, crisscross. Another cake decorating technique that I will show is creating gum paste flower Calya Lily. For the gum paste, I use 2 egg whites at room temperature, 4 cups of confectioner sugar, and 1 teaspoon of tylose powder. First, I made a log-shaped bud for the center of the Calya Lily and decorated it with colored castor sugar. Then, I roll out a piece of gum paste thinly and using a heart-shaped cookie cutter for the Calya Lily petal. Then, I attach the petal into the bud using an edible glue. Thank you very much for having the time in watching my video. I hope to see you in the interview.